I'm Joe from Electro Freeze Southeast. Welcome to our Electro Freeze test kitchen. I want to introduce you today to our Electro Freeze 9-flavor Fuzionate ice cream machine. We have two versions of this machine. We have a self-serve version and an operator version. The self-serve version has a digital screen up here where your customer can come up, choose their flavor, press the dispense button, and it'll automatically dispense a pre-proportioned amount into their cup. This is the operator version. The way this version works is you would come, choose your flavor, dispense. As long as you're dispensing, it's spitting that flavor and mixing it throughout your ice cream product. And then you can do a quick rinse in between flavor changes. There are 9 flavors to choose from with this machine. Here we're using rave flavors as our test flavors. They make a wide range of other flavors besides the 9 that we have available here. It's really a lot of fun to try to get these different flavors and experiment with what you can make with them. They're very potent. It uses very little flavor per ice cream, and the product cost is incredibly low. The warranty on Electro Freeze, all of the machines that we sell are going to come with a 1-year parts and labor, 2 years motor and gearbox, and a 5-year compressor warranty. We have technicians all throughout the nation. They are already trained for working on Electro Freeze equipment, and you're covered by one of the best service networks in the industry. The Electro Freeze Fuzionate machine is designed to create the finest frozen product. It's smooth, creamy, and profitable. This machine allows us to have a lot of product flexibility. We can run 9 separate flavors of custard, ice cream, sorbet, water ice, or yogurt. Our exclusive auger design gently folds ice cream upon itself as it's freezing down. This allows us to run a much higher butterfat percentage without getting that buttering out effect that you've seen in other machines. The Fuzionate is a pump machine with a 30-quart storage capacity. This machine has a 2-horsepower motor, 6,700 BTU compressor, and it's designed to crank out 9 to 10 gallons of ice cream per hour. For more information on this machine and all of the Electro Freeze lineup, please visit us at electrofreezese.com.